Alright guys, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're looking at the Coachmen Chaparral 285 RLS. Come on inside, let's take a look. This one has a nice wide open floor plan. As you can see here, very large entertainment system with the fireplace below. Good sized sofa and two recliners here, all facing the entertainment system. As you come around here, microwave, oven, a large amount of storage with nice big drawers. A little bit of overhead storage here. The freezer and a fridge. And then a very large pantry, which has tons of space for everything you can need in the kitchen. A couple more really good sized drawers. And again, a large pantry. Come on up here. And as you can see here, a really good sized bathroom. A nice walk-in shower here. Good sized sink with a vanity and mirror. And under sink storage here. And then some cabinetry over here for towels. Something that's pretty uncommon in these coaches is a large amount of bathroom storage, and this definitely has that. And around over here in the bedroom, you can see good sized bed with nice amount of space to walk around, and a full size closet here. And then another little chunk of storage over here on the sides with power outlets on both sides for your cell phones. And then back down here in the living room, 4 full chairs with an extendable table. The nice thing about these chairs is they're not stationary. You can move them around to fit wherever you want to be sitting. And then we'll go ahead and take a look outside. And as you'll come out here, you'll notice a huge amount of basement storage. Big enough to fit some totes or whatever it may be. And then you also have exterior speakers out here for entertainment. And then as far as entertainment goes, the exterior of this coach has a super cool feature. Big screen TV out here with a cooktop grill and a beverage cooler. And also here another cooking surface. Go ahead and shut this. Then as you come around the back here, nice sturdy access ladder to get to the roof. And then around this side here you have your exterior shower, and then the opposite access to your basement storage. And this will have your battery disconnect, your auto leveling, and your fluid controls. And then down here will be your front end storage. With access to your electronics, and then also a good amount of storage in there for whatever you might need. Alrighty, thank you again for clicking the link. Again, this is the Coachmen Chaparral 285 RLS. If you have any questions or would like to come take a look at it, just give me a call. 541-731-8583. Again, my name is Chris.McAndrews, and thank you for clicking the link.